Hello everyone. Thank you for joining today. I am very glad to see you here. In this lesson, we are going to practice 20 phrases you will hear every day in English. These are common and useful phrases for daily conversations. We will practice them in a polite and clear way. First, I will say each phrase slowly and carefully. Then, I will say it again in a natural and polite way. After that, I will give you 3 extra example sentences so you can understand how people use them in real life. Please listen carefully, repeat after me, and try to speak with confidence. Remember the quotation, practice is not about perfection, it is about progress. Phrase 1. How are you? This is a polite way to ask about someone's well-being. It's usually the first step in starting a conversation. How are you doing today? How have you been? How are things with you? How's everything going? Phrase 2. I'm fine, thank you. This is a standard reply to greetings. It shows respect and appreciation when someone asks about you. I'm doing well, thank you. I'm very well, thank you. I'm good, thank you for asking. I'm doing great. How about you? Phrase 3. What's your name? A basic introduction question. It helps to know someone personally and begin friendly communication. May I have your name, please? Could you tell me your name? May I ask your name? Would you mind sharing your name? Phrase 4. My name is. A polite way to introduce yourself. It makes communication more personal and friendly. I'm called. People usually call me. You can call me. I go by the name. Phrase 5. Nice to meet you. A polite expression used after introductions. It shows respect and appreciation for meeting someone. It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm pleased to meet you. It's wonderful to meet you. I'm delighted to meet you. Phrase 6. Where are you from? A common question to learn about someone's origin. It often begins deeper conversations about culture or background. May I ask where you are from? Which country are you from? Where do you come from originally? May I know your place of origin? Phrase 7. I'm from. A polite way to tell someone your country, city, or hometown. It helps people connect with your background. I come from. I was born in. I grew up in. My hometown is. Phrase 8. Excuse me. A polite way to get attention, interrupt carefully, or ask for help without being rude. Pardon me. Sorry to trouble you. May I have a moment of your time? Could I have your attention, please? I'm sorry. Used to apologize politely when you make a mistake or cause inconvenience. It shows humility and respect. I sincerely apologize. Please accept my apologies. I regret the inconvenience. I apologize for the mistake. Thank you. A polite expression of gratitude when someone helps or shows kindness. Thank you very much. Many thanks. I really appreciate it. I'm truly grateful. Phrase 11. You're welcome. A polite response after someone thanks you. It shows warmth and kindness. It's my pleasure. Don't mention it. No problem at all. Anytime. Phrase 12. How much is this? A common question used when buying something. It helps you know the price politely. Could you tell me the price of this? May I ask how much this costs? What's the price of this item? How much do I owe you for this? Phrase 13. See you later. A friendly way to say goodbye when you expect to meet the person again soon. See you soon. Talk to you later. Catch you later. I'll see you around. Phrase 14. Take care. A warm farewell phrase that shows care for the other person's safety and well-being. Look after yourself. Stay safe. Be well. Wishing you well. Phrase 15. I don't understand. The polite way to say you need clarification. It invites the speaker to explain again. I'm afraid I don't understand. I didn't quite catch that. I'm not sure I follow. Could you explain that again? Phrase 16. Can you help me? A polite request for assistance when you need support. Could you assist me, please? Would you mind helping me? I would appreciate your help. Could I ask for your support? Phrase 17. What time is it? A simple and polite way to ask for the current time. Could you tell me the time, please? May I ask what time it is? Do you happen to know the time? Would you mind telling me the time? Phrase 18. I don't know. A respectful way to admit you lack knowledge about something. I'm not sure. I don't have that information. I can't say for certain. I'm afraid I don't know. Phrase 19. That's right. A phrase used to agree politely or confirm correctness. That's correct. Absolutely. Exactly. You're right. Phrase 20. Let's go. A simple way to suggest leaving or starting an action together. Shall we go? Let's get moving. It's time to head out. We should get going. Thank you very much for joining me in today's lesson. We have explored 20 advanced and polite phrases that you can use in your daily conversations. Remember, the more you practice them, the more natural they will become. Fluency is not built in a single day. It grows step by step, just like building any other skill. If you use these phrases regularly, you will notice a real change in the way you speak and the way people respond to you. In our next video, we will continue this journey and learn more expressions, short conversations, and useful tips that will help you sound not only fluent, but also confident and professional. So stay connected, keep practicing, and prepare yourself for the next step. Believe me, every small improvement you make today will create a big difference tomorrow. Once again, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take care, keep practicing, and never stop learning.